Manage co-working spaces effectively and efficiently. Here's how. Choose CoworkGOTO, our workspace software solution designed for modern workspace managers. Simplify leasing and onboarding process with our CRM features. Easily manage contracts and tenant agreements from anywhere. Manage your seats, visitor parking, member wallets, and more on the go. Stay on top of inspections and real-time maintenance with our Workspace app. Effortlessly manage room bookings, facilities access, and availability to keep everything running smoothly. Optimize your space, enhance communication, and manage payments across multiple sites seamlessly. Conveniently manage all operations using our Workspace app. Make the right choice today. Choose our feature-rich and easy-to-use workspace solution, CoworkGOTO.